Wednesday, July 31st, 2024. Saint Ignatius of Loyola. Focus. In his joy, he goes and sells all that he has and buys that field. A friend and I, marveling at the transformation of a very intelligent and ambitious youth into a joyful, humble, compassionate priest, exclaim, "He has found the pearl of great value." All of us are in search of treasure, something that will satisfy the deepest longings of the heart. It could be lasting, unconditional love, peace, acceptance, or in fulfillment. These are found only in God. A search among worldly things is futile. We may discover this hidden treasure while in the field, that is, the world, at home, the workplace, on our sick bed, or elsewhere. Even amid toil, sweat, and pain, we could encounter God and experience His love, mercy, and faithfulness in someone or something. Then it will be pure joy to sell our fear, unforgiveness, pride, power, sinful life, and even possessions, and follow Jesus alone. Or like merchant, we may be the seekers of the higher things like the truth, justice, and meaning in life. In fact, of God Himself. On coming to know the love, wisdom, and power of God revealed in Christ, we will need to sell any preconceived ideas of God and His will for us, and imitating Jesus, become God's instruments to build the kingdom of heaven. Fruit. Saint Ignatius of Loyola found the Lord on his hospital bed. He sold his life of violence, pleasure, and fame for one lived for God's glory.